CAD joint teaching a system of civil energy based on digital technology. 刘玉 School of Road, Bridge and Architecture, Chongqing Vocational College of Transportation, Chongqing 40247 Chela. Abstractor. The traditional civil of the architecture CAD joint teaching and system, and the application of traditional technology doesn't have accurate calculation and date switch functions, resulting in poor communication capabilities, classification capabilities, and trick capabilities of the system, effective of the teaching performance of the system. So based on digital technology, design a new CAD joint teaching and system for civil energy in a system hardware design. Next, them calculate at C2C best circuit are redesigned. In a system software design, the system CAD joint calibration model is applied and the system switching algorithm is set based on digital technology. The experiment test results show that the most value and the run value of the system design next time are lower than that of the teaching and system under the traditional technology. Indication that the data switch of the system is smoother and the classification duplication is smaller. In generally, this time the design system has better taking performance for CAD joint date. It can be seen that digital technology is more sophisticated for joint teaching at system. Keywords: digital technology, civil architecture, CAD joint, teaching a system. First, introduction. CAD joint teaching assistant serves practical problems of CAD joint teaching by means of machines and automation, and provides real teaching means for students join. However, due to the relatively backward technology used in traditional teaching system, the performance of the system is gradually different to meet the teaching requirements under the influence of external environmental load and massive hypothetical data. Therefore, taking the digital technology as the evolution point, the CAD joint teaching system of the whole department is designed. The hardware of the CAD joint teaching assistant system is designed by SERM circuit and Raspberry bus circuit. The calculating task is carried out according to the similarity of imagined features. Therefore, the separation model of CAD joint is set through the similarity index. A large number of joint data sets are divided and processed according to the time characteristics by using a sliding window to generate data circuits in different time domains. Then the time information reduction method used to extract the frequency domain features. Another attribute change rule is obtained through the optimal estimation. The data subscale is the process tries to get the first date finally in the data space. The feature with associated features is fields with the measurement information subject to fields the drawing information. In the space to celebrate the information, set up decision-making instructions, completed the design of the CAD joint teaching, a certain system of the civil engineering based on digital technology. The effectiveness of the system is affected by simulation experiments. Hardware design of CAD joint teaching system. Design system design processed behavior to the DSP, which is a microprocessor specially used for rapid signal processing. As the main processor of the major target tracking circuit board, it directly affects the library information tracking function of the resources in integration system. Therefore, considering the system's calculation accuracy, calculation speed, hardware resources, and powerful consumption and other factors, select the DSP chip according to the functional requirements of the natural teaching system. The working validity of the processing tree and the current validity is through root parliament energy sharing configuration. The automatic management of information is related, which meets the requirements of power consumption of integrated system. Considering the factors such as hardware resources, speed level, and development tool support, where chip is selected to replace the field program gate driving in the original CAD joint teaching system, and a high performance programmable logic is set to complete the circuit function to complex circuits and combination logic. In the process of target tracking, the teaching system needs to large capacity of storage space to store larger equipment and overdraw information, and needs to use the space to filter to collect the information resources. Although the security DSP solves the problem of the system to a certain extent, due to the limited storage space of the DSP itself, the chip is ideal to on the basis of the above hardware selection. The SDRM model selected in the study is US, which provides performance memory for the teaching assistant system. The chip has 4 memory blocks, each with a capacity of 42 MB, a total of 60 bit bits, according to the active space of the chip. According to the address is aligned with the DSP address bus 1.10 and connected then with the A12, and then connected data bus and with DSP 99. Let the ladder block signals bound by of the base connected with the 20. Then the connection between system and FPGA chip is established through terminals and several single lines. Using this circuit to store touch information. It's convenient to integrate the image resources in the process of joint teaching after the end of target tracking. In order to avoid the fatal value of x and y, first is adding to the true number part of logarithmic function to make it take the value of time life through the above calculation process. The similarity calculation model is designed and parameters are being added to adjust the similarity index. According to the above calculation formula, the design of the similarity calculations model algorithm is set to control the transfer of the model. Of joint effects use the deep structure and learning ability to the deep learning network to track the effective features of the joint data in a hierarchical manner, and use the recognition signal to determine whether the joint data comes from the same target. In the process of deep learning network training, the label signal data is input to the self-coding to network and achieve the task. Of learning depth fetch extraction and the late depth features are mapped to the recognition class by the softmax function. The purpose of this design of teaching assistance system is to provide the more accurate data for students' achievement drawing, therefore according to the characteristics of back publication. In the process of data integration, the weights of deep learning network are obliged to realize the image calculation. It's known that the verification singular makes the characteristics of the third hidden never similar. Therefore, a loss function is used to set the mode tracking also based on deep learning as follows. Concluding remarks. Through 3 groups of experimental demonstrations, it is found that the joint teaching and system design based on digital technology had better performance and provides a more complete teaching method for several NGCAD joint teaching. However, the system design this time still has shortcomings. In the future research work, PLC technology and conducting organizing can be applied to the system for improving the effectiveness of the systems and perhaps more reliable teaching methods for several acknowledging work and learning. CAD joint teach assistant system of civil energy based on digital technology. Liu Yu, School of Road, Bridge and Architecture, Chongqing Vocational College of Transportation, Chongqing, 40224 Chala. Abstractor. The traditional civil and architecture CAD joint teaching and system, and the application of traditional technology doesn't have accurate calculation and date switch functions, resulting in poor communication capabilities, classification capabilities, and trick capabilities of the system. Effective of the teaching perform of the system. So based on digital technology, design a new CAD joint teaching and system for civil energy in a system hardware designed. Let's see them calculate at C to 3 best circuit are redundant. In the system software design, the system CAD joint calculation model is applied and the system switching Algorithm is set based on digit technology.